What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and in today's action-packed episode we're going to be watching some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 143. So yeah, thank you very much for the support and everything you do for the channel. It's much appreciated, and with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now. Alrighty, let's get this party started. He must be out there cheating. Him. Bro is heading for international waters. He's on a quest to find a long-lost Atlantis. And it's going very good so far. Well, it's a little bit of a bumpy ride, but he'll get there, I'm sure. Look at that guy go. And also, let's just hope he's gonna do a better job than a Titan submarine. And I know, I already booked my ticket to hell, so we're just gonna move on now. And here goes a BMW. Now we're gonna play a game of Power Whack. Power Whack. Brilliant stuff like always from a BMW. But now, let's see here. Oh, alright. Bro got moves. That was a nice 180. A well-executed handbrake turn. 9 out of 10. Very good score, but let's see if he can improve. And... booyah! Instead, he got one-on-one appointment with the wall. Oh, here goes another BMW. Power! Watch out, bro! He curved that cone position. Anyways, let's see what is going on here. Whoa, stop, dude, stop. Well, apparently hitting the brakes was way too easy of a solution here.
Oh my gosh.
What the hell was that? God bless dash cams for sure, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to see this amazing driving masterclass. Oh, no, stop. Whoa, he double tapped him. Whoa, he triple tapped him actually. Now, this is personal. This is getting personal. Psst, yo! I reached out to you for your car's extended warranty. This is an NPC. What the hell was that, bruh? And now everything is back to normal. Just another day for an NPC. She's running away, of course. Wait a minute. That minivan of doom is not going after her. I smell some arrest warrants on both sides. Whoa, dodge. Well, you dodged that one, which was not a big challenge for that dodge. Oh, here we have a Maserati going full power! Or maybe not. Whack! He couldn't decide if he wants to go full BMW or a full Mustang, so he decided to do his own thing. Oh, hello there, house. What a house doing? Whoa! This would be hard to explain without a dash cam. Everybody in that neighborhood was like, why don't we have the power? The house crashed into a power line. Right, anyways, whoa. Someone thinks he's driving in the UK. That was incredibly stupid and dangerous. Let's see here. Oh, is that a sound of an approaching dingleberry? Booyah! He wanted to wall ride, but that doesn't work in real life. Bro was playing way too much Forza. Oh, look at that goofy ass car. It's cute. Look at him go. Whoa. Oh, that was funny. But anyways, come on now, unleash all of those angry German horses. Ooh, not in a ditch, bro. That's not what I had in mind, but it is what it is now. He played stupid game and he won a stupid prize. Simple as that. Oh, bro activated some secret attack. Ooh, that sounds painful. That is some 007 stuff right there. And a good way to piss off a man. Right, this looks interesting. I don't know what is this guy doing, but it looks fun. And that is a Brabus G-Wagon, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it is. They're built for off-roading, but nobody's using them these days for that. Except this guy, which is always nice to see. Autobots, roll out. Malfunction. That Transformer decided to take a little power nap. That was a low-budget Optimus Prime, bought on Wish. Whoa, chill, bro, chill. And into the ditch he goes. He overreacted for some reason. I mean, he didn't have to go into a ditch. He had some other solutions, but it is what it is. Oh, that is a mean-looking Corvette, boy. That is a nice V8 motor. Oh, and it sounds great too. That is the music to my... Whoa. And a sad excuse for a BMW is in the house. He actually wanted to crash into that Corvette, but he was too slow. For obvious reasons, of course. And here goes a Mustang. Come on now. Power and... What? He didn't crash. That is not something you see every day. A Mustang going full power and full Mustang not crashing, that's a miracle right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful, bro, you don't want to launch that piston into the space. Let's see here. Of course, it's a BMW. Why am I not surprised? Just another day at the office for a BMW, of course. We are moving on to the next one. I'm speed, baby! Oh, no, 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 no! He was lucky. He was very, very lucky indeed. I'm turning left. Good luck, everybody! Bro, yo! Come on, man, you had plenty of time to take an exit. This is ridiculous. I mean, you see what some people do and wonder, how is this guy even alive? I mean, oh, that is a Prius. And it's a scary one. Whoa, 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 I surrender, don't hurt me. Priuses are on another level, I'll tell you that. I'm not afraid of many things, but that thing, that Prius, is really scary. Dearie me. Let's move on. Yo, stop, don't go through a red. Is this a red light or the traffic light isn't working? And his name is John Cena. That guy was like, I wish I wasn't a dingleberry who doesn't have a license. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. Ultima, what the hell are you doing, bruh? Whoa. Someone had a fun night. Honey, look, on a bright side, we have a bigger entrance to our house. Oh, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't, don't. This could be very dangerous because this could happen. When there's a lot of smoke on the road, usually there's a good reason for it, so... And a wild BMW attacks again. This model, just like most of the BMWs, is running on liquid arrogance. Oh, hold it, bro slipped on banana peel. But he's good, which is nice. Let's see here. That guy ahead is looking suspicious, and yeah, there we go. He's playing Mario Kart. Just when you think the aliens are gonna finally visit us, that guy shows up. Let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa! That Merc took BMW's liquid arrogance. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.